Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your iPhone keyboard not working. So if your keyboard is not working, then basically you try to type something and you can't just type, like your keyboard doesn't work. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix it. There's multiple methods, so I'm going to be going through them one at a time. All right, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. One step. Let's move on. First step, what you want to do is close all of your apps. Sometimes due to you opening multiple apps and multiple apps is using your keyboard, and sometimes iPhone gets confused and a conflict between multiple app happens and your keyboard doesn't work properly. So close all of your app and go to the app which you want to currently use and type. It should work. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is go on your phone setting, go on general over here, and at the bottom there's going to be transfer or reset iPhone. Click on transfer, and at over here you can click on reset. Over here you need to click on reset keyboard dictionary. If it doesn't work even after doing that, you need to click on reset all setting. All right, once you do that, it should start working. If it still doesn't work, what you need to do is shut down your iPhone. So switch off your iPhone and switch it on again, and it should work. And if it still doesn't work after doing that, what you need to do is go on your notes and try to open your keyboard. After you open your keyboard, at the bottom of your keyboard there's going to be a globe icon. As you guys can see, hold on it. Once you hold on it, you can see keyboard setting. Click on keyboard setting. Over here you want to go on keyboards. Once you come in keyboard, click on English US, and if it shows multiple options over here, you're good to go. You can choose other option, like choose this option. If it doesn't work, choose this option. All right, so try to switch between these options and your keyboard should work. And sometimes due to like a problem in your screen, your keyboard doesn't work, which means like let's say your phone fell from your hand or like some defect happened with your screen. So try to check your screen. So what you can do is like rotate your iPhone. All right, so let me just turn off my rotation and enable turn rotation. So once you turn your iPhone, if this part of your screen is working and the other part over here, the down part, is not working, then basically your iPhone screen has a problem. And in that case, it's not your keyboard, it's basically your iPhone screen that's not registering a touch, so your keyboard is not working. If that's the case, you need to take it to Apple Repair Center, repair it, and then only you can use it. All right, so hopefully all of the steps which I just told you right now should have fixed your problem. If it did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.